Mga DDS, lalo ka na Sara Duterte at sa lahat ng mga kampon mo. Ito, isang napakalaking sampal na naman at kahihiyan. Galing mismo sa presidente ng Amerika na si Donald Trump. Tingnan mo, panoorin mo kung gaano kasakit ang salitang binitawan ni Trump sa Duterte administration. Asan ang pinagmamayabang ninyo noon? Sabi niyo, suportado ni Trump si Duterte at kayang pauwiin. At may isa pa ngang American vlogger na nagsabi, magkakagulo ang buong Pilipinas pag hindi na pauwi ni BBM si Rodrigo dito sa Pilipinas noong June 30. Asan ang yabang ninyo? Panoorin nyo, huwag niyong lalaktawan na ngayon na yuta kayo. Yung fake news ninyo, eto, sasampal ko sa inyo.
Thank you very much, everybody. It's a great honor to have President Marcos Jr. of the Philippines, a great family legacy, and highly respected in this country. I know that because I have many friends in the Philippines, and there's great respect. Corey couldn't say it, so congratulations. We're going to be talking about trade. We're going to be talking about war and peace. They're a very important nation militarily, and we've had some great drills lately. We're back with them. I think I can say that the last administration was not getting along with them too well. They didn't get along with anybody. They didn't know. Honestly, they didn't know what they were doing. But we have some fantastic military relationships with the Philippines, and that's been reinstituted. And Pete, I would say that you couldn't be happier, right? In the relationship. So I just want to say it's an honor to have you. We're going to talk about trade today. And we're very close to finishing a trade deal, big trade deal actually. And we do a lot of business with you. It's a lot of income coming in for both groups. But I was surprised to see the kind of numbers. They're very big, and we're proposing.
Mga DDS, napakasakit, di ba? Napakasakit masampal ng katotohanan. Yung inaakala ninyo nakakampi ninyo, yun pala, tatawaging inutin at walang nagawang maganda ang iniidolo ninyo. Tinagalog ko lang kasi alam ko hindi nyo maiintindihan yung sinabi niya. Sabi ni Trump, hindi alam ng Duterte administration ang ginagawa nila noon. Nakakahiya. Disclaimer kakamping ka ko at dilawan. Pero sabi ko nga, paulit-ulit ko sasabihin sa inyo, hindi ako panatiko. Pag ang presidente o kahit sino mang leader ng bansa natin na nakagawa ng tama, kahit hindi naaayon sa prinsipyo ko, sasaluduhan ko at pupurihin ko dahil hindi ako panatiko. Nakakabilib na kahit na hindi tagumpay ang usapin tungkol sa taripa, pero kahit papano nakapyasa ng 1%, hindi man naging matagumpay, pero bilib talaga ako kay BBM. Na kahit papano, kahit tinatawag na bangag, weak leader, kahit ano na lang na paninira, sinasabi natin sa kanya. Pero may masasabi kang at least may ginagawa, may ipinaglalaban. Yung usapin na lang tungkol sa teritoryo natin, ang West Philippine Sea, hindi binibitawan ni BBM. Isa na yun sa akin, isa na yung pasasalamat ko sa kanya na hindi niya hinahayaan na matalo tayo ng China. Hindi kagaya ng mga Duterte na traidor na mga putang ina, napaka-traidor. Ibinenta ang teritoryo ng Pilipinas sa China. So, malaking sampal. Asan? O, gawa na kayo ng mag-edit na kayo ng video dahil alam ko, ang susunod nito, babalukutin nyo na naman ang sinabi ni Trump. Alam ko na, yung laki ng ilong ko na to, amoy na amoy ko ang mga baho ninyo.